Can we get the alt art Mewtwo? Time will tell what's in store for us. Hey everyone, Card Chef here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Pokemon Go Premium Collection Radiant Eevee box. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Look at that beautiful retail box and packaging with our Pokemon Go and Eevee artwork all throughout the box. Backside, we have some additional information on our Radiant Eevee. They also let you know what's included in the box. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have a Pokemon Go piece of literature complete with the QR code to download the Pokemon Go app for iOS and Android devices. There's some online codes on the back side. We also have an additional online code card right here, followed by our Radiant Eevee Black Star promo. This is a really cool looking card. Love the Pokemon Go logo on there. The beautiful hollow work on our Radiant Eevee. We'll flip it over to the back side so you can get a feel for the print quality here. Definitely has some centering issues. It's top heavy or bottom heavy, however you want to say that. We have our Eevee pin. Look at that. Really nice. We have a playing card mat. And lastly, we have 8 Pokemon Go packs, all with identical artwork, featuring 10 cards each. Now let's go ahead, let's open up the playmat. All right, here's the playmat. Check out Eevee front and center with a really cool tree and landscape in the background. Got the Pokemon logo and the Pokemon Go logo. Really a nice looking playmat. Here's a quick peek at the back side as well. Just your black surface that provides some grip on your desktop or tabletop. Everything looks really nice. Now let's go ahead, let's open up some packs. We got our first pack right here we're gonna open, and we have our Radiant Eevee for good luck. We're chasing any of the Radiant cards, Blastoise, Charizard, Venusaur. Want to get that Mewtwo artwork as well. The alt art Mewtwo would be fantastic. So we'll see what we can pull here, but it's a lot of fun opening up these packs, and hopefully we get some first pack magic. Pikachu, always good to see, and a Squirtle. Oh, is it a Ditto? We gotta get a Ditto too. This is not a Ditto. A Radiant Venusaur has been pulled already. Let's go. And lastly, a Pikachu Holo. Look at this. We got one of the big 3 that we were after. Gorgeous card. So we're chasing Radiant Blastoise, Radiant Charizard, and a Ditto. All right, 1 down, 7 to go. We're on pack number 2. Can we get the alt art Mewtwo? Time will tell what's in store for us. I don't know, when I compare this to like Celebrations, I really think this pack's even more fun to open. We got our Eevee there, and a 2. All right, oh, there's our reverse holo. Into a Moltres holo. Okay, let's go. 2 down, 6 to go. We're on pack number 3. What are we gonna pull here? All right, we got our Psychic Energy. Come on, alt art Mewtwo, can we do it? A Charizard. What are we gonna get? Charmander into an Onyx reverse holo. Into another Pikachu holo. We're on to pack number 4. We're hitting the halfway spot here for our opening. What are we gonna get? Mewtwo, Charizard. What are we gonna pull? Wartortle. I love seeing the original starters and their evolutions. All right, Spinarak. Lapras reverse holo rare, double rare pack, and a Dragonite V-Star. Look at these cards, let's go. Now it's time to open pack number 5. What are we gonna get out of this pack? We will find out. A lot of nice, what, Blissey, what did I just do? Did I mess something up? Oh, it was stuck to the energy. All right, pretend you didn't see that. Here we go. I wonder what's coming in this pack. Tranquil. All right, another in a 2. Into a Pikachu reverse holo, and you guessed it, a Blissey. Pack number 6. Let's get into it. Still chasing the Mewtwo, Radiant Charizard, Radiant Blastoise. Make sure we don't have any stuck this time. Charmeleon, Slowpoke. Guys, we still got to keep on lookout for Ditto. A Moltres Reverse Holo. All right, that goes with the Moltres Holo that we already got. Double rare and an Articuno Holo. Love it. All right, we're on to pack number 7. We're getting closer to our last pack, Magic. What's going to happen here today? Do our card trick. Whoop, I saw something peeking through. Are we going to like it? I don't know. All right, we need that Ditto. Or Mewtwo. All right, Tyranitar. This will be a double rare pack again. So reverse holo into another Blissey. It is now time for our last pack, Magic. This is our 8th and final pack. Are we going to get a Ditto? That's what we want. I see another Bidoof, but it does not appear to be a Ditto version of it. A lot of Slowbros we've seen. All right. Fakes me out every time. Can we get a Ditto? Onyx reverse holo into, what the heck? Another Dragonite V-Star. What are the chances? Here's our quick hits right here. Up at the top, we have our V-Star cards, followed by our rare holos. You may notice we got duplicate Blissies, duplicate Pikachus, duplicate Dragonite V-Stars. Then in our second row, we have our rare reverse holos that we pulled, followed by our reverse holo non-rares. Everybody's going to get the Radiant Eevee Black Star promo. Really a cool looking card. Just wish ours was cut a little bit better. And then lastly, our Pride and Joy, the best card that we pulled. This was one of my chase cards. The Radiant Venusaur. If you play the game too, you'll appreciate these Radiant Pokemon and their abilities. This card at the time of this video is worth around $8 to $10. And I'd say ours is in pretty good shape. Looks really nice. Better than the Radiant Eevee, in my opinion. Crazy 2 out of 8 packs that we were able to get so many duplicates or near duplicates just out of that few of cards. But I love opening packs for this set. It's just so much fun. All the cards look great. It's just so much fun opening them and getting 1, 2 rares, guaranteed holos, all that good stuff. So a lot of fun opening this set. And there's hits for everybody. So leave me a comment letting me know what is your favorite card out of the cards that we pulled here. Mine's obviously going to be the Radiant Venusaur. Such a cool card. Honorable mention goes to the Dragonite V-Star. I really like the artwork on this card. And I don't see too many V-Stars myself with my luck opening packs. So it's cool to have one. And then obviously we didn't pull it, but the Radiant Eevee artwork is fantastic. This is a great card.